Alright, got a little tool haul today. A couple of Stubby ratchets from Harbor Freight, and then a new Milwaukee M12 3/8 impact. This isn't the Stubby one, just the normal one. Still really nice, 1400 inch-pounds, 100 and so foot-pounds. Check it out, like, subscribe, comment down below. Be back in a second. Alright, got a bit of a tool haul here, nothing big. I got a couple of Harbor Freight. I got the two Stubbies, 1/4 inch, 3/8. These are the Pittsburgh Pro models, so I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Lifetime warranty. They break, you can exchange them. Pretty good. These are like, this is $8.99, this is $9.99, but one of the things is you can get a coupon. So if you get ready here and pause your screen, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, just take a screenshot of that. $5 off any of these Pittsburgh Pro ratchets. So excuse me, getting over a bit of a cold. So that brought this down to $3.99 and this to $4.99. $10 for both of these. That's not too bad of a deal, and I can return them if they break. There's not snap-on, but they still got a warranty. Not bad. Next thing, I already pulled the box off. This is the new M12 3/8 inch impact. This is not the Stubby, it's just the regular one, and man, I hate those things. That's why I got the screwdriver out. Alright, lose that. I don't clip that on my belt, but anyway. So yeah, this thing is pretty nice. Does it have? Yeah, it actually has a little bit of battery on it already. That's kind of nice. This has, the Stubby ones, the bigger ones have 4 settings. This just has 2. So it has, 1 is kind of, low. 2 is high. Yeah, so it's kind of nice. Also, it gives you, so if you kind of squeeze this thing, yeesh, you can hear that. It kind of, it's kind of intermittent. So if you don't squeeze it all the way, not too shabby. So we're going to try to hit some lug nuts with this. Let's see how that does. I'm going to go ahead and check the torque on this. You can see there, a little above 83. And then first thing we're going to do is we're going to try this No Name brand and see if this will get it out. So as you can see, fully charged on the number 2. That's 1, that's 2, and we'll see if this comes off. There you go. Not too shabby. Again, we're gonna make sure this is torqued down right. .83.3. This is going to be the actual Milwaukee. Again, full. And we're going to make sure it's on 2. So there's 1. There's 2. You know, one of the things I noticed, done this a couple times, is these Milwaukee batteries just seem like they have more oomph to them, a little more rat-a-tat-tat. So I think you definitely get the Milwaukees. They might be worth the money. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later. I'm gonna find a place to put the well, fuck.